Well, guys, I'm fucked. Okay, I want to put it in the polite ways possible, but I cannot. It's just I'm still sick, like coughing so hard. It's not cold. It's the cough that is killing me. Like there's someone like uh, you know choking my neck. Oh, but the view is so beautiful though. See, it's sublime, scenic. Yeah, but what is a good view without someone? Well, there's someone. There's a cat, orangey princess. Yeah, well, but you cannot see it like as good as it is because my shit camera. Why is it dark? Oh no, it's not. Wait. Actually, I put the saturation like yeah, so that I'm not that bright. Cause in real life I'm tan. Of course I'm tan, but not that tan anymore. Cause I'm not really going out that much. I told you, if I'm not going out that much, I'm actually fair side. I'm not that fair, but I'm back then. I'm so fair. I mean, once I'm tan, it's hard for me to get fair again. And sadly, the beauty toxic standard, like only fair skin girl is damn pretty. What a bunch of bullshit, actually. I mean, look at me, I'm pretty, like, yeah, pretty fuck.